welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, as we are working with our new GoPro Hero 9 here and our latest accessories. Previously we had shown you all how to install these beautiful protective lenses to help protect you while you're out adventuring out into the world, to keep your device a little bit safer. So with this recent kit that we had gotten, one of the things that it came with that I really do appreciate for when you're doing some drive footages or you're going to be stationary and doing a lot of recording is the ability to make use of this pass-through door here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So that way you can just have it straight plugged up, so you're not draining your battery while you're doing a bunch of stationary recording. Particularly, that's really good for if you're going to be out and have it set up for doing some maybe some nighttime sky lapses or even daytime sky lapses, but you're going to be sitting right there at your RV or wherever you may be, that you actually have a power source or an external power bank as well. You can be able to make use of that and be plugged up. Extends out the life of that battery. And then, of course, if you're going to be needing to do anything where you need to make sure that it's waterproofed all the way around, you can switch out and put your other door on it that's solid here. Now, one of the other things that we've got in this new kit that we recently just got for this is a rubber housing here. I know this is probably, got this nice. She decided to get the black case, so I know I do apologize. It is a little bit hard to see, but it is a rubber housing. It just fits right in. Just place it in like this. So now we've got it in our nice little rubber shock proof. So if it falls, it'll help protect it. Now on here, and you see it does have on this case, it does have the nice little pass-through hole already there, so that you could still be able to have it on and stay protected as well. You can still access all your hookups, every last one of them, power button and everything. Keeps the microphone and speakers fully exposed as well. Now this particular kit also came with this nice little handy cap here. Was this the cap we wanted? No, this is the cap we were going to use. As I was telling you on a previous video, this cap here actually comes with a hookup so that you can have this set up, and this cap just goes right over here. To protect your lens, but it has a string point, so we could take this string here, as you can see, we could take this string and we can set up, as you all can tell there, I'm pulling against it pretty good. All right, so then we could set that up onto there. And then over here on the side, it has a loop, two purposes. On this particular setup is one, to be able to set this through. Okay. The other, so you can set this strap up to run through here. Now, me personally, as I may not always want to have the cap hanging or dangling with it, so I may not want to tie this to this, but instead what I will do, now this is going to be hard for you all to see. Here, let me try something real quick here. Let's just give us a little bit of a lighter background there for you to see a little bit of what I'm doing better. So I had to thread it through. Once you thread it through, just take the rest of this handle here, the wrist bracelet, and now, since that is on there, and that is something that you can take off if you chose to at any time, me personally, what I'm going to do, because more than likely, if I'm not wanting the wrist carrier on it, I'm probably not going to also want the cap on it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to tie the cap to the wrist part. Okay, that way the cap does not have to be always tied down for this to actually work correctly. Got our handy dandy strap now. Everything's attached. Our cap is attached. Place it on. There you go. So now the GoPro Hero 9 is fully protected in its nice new rubber protective case. New protective lens. Carrying strap. Protective lenses on it as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So there you have it. Now you are really, truly set to go out and get some awesome adventure footage on your hikes, your walks, your drives, just whatever you may be doing. Get your vlogs in. Be fully protected all at the same time. So from here on Dream on Wheels, thank you for stopping by. We appreciate it. Don't forget to hit those like buttons, share it out, ring those bells on your way out of here. And we'll catch you on the next time. On the next episode of Dream on Wheels. Never forget, follow your dreams.